Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Coco Sherelle from Bling and today I will be making a blinged out guest book. This will be part 3 of my wedding series. So stay tuned if you want to see me turn this into a spectacular piece. So these are the materials that I will be using today for my project. E6000 glue, scissors, rhinestone crystals, bling applique, and rhinestone sheet. Okay, so I'm here by my heat press. Now this rhinestone sheet has a glue adhesive on the back and it sticks to fabric with heat. All right, I think that's good. Okay. Apply some pressure. I'm gonna let it go one more time, but I'm gonna check it right quick. Oh yeah, look, it's not really stuck. Okay, so we gotta do that again. That's good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit more work on this side to get it down. I think it's because of the shape right here. So I'm gonna do that off camera. Yeah, I'll be back. Love the way it came out. It is absolutely gorgeous. But I'm going to take it a step further. And what I'm going to do from this point is the inside. The book is going to be open for majority of the time so that the guests can, write nice comments. I want to have the inside decorated. Okay, so I managed to get a grip of this to unwind it and take it off. Okay, so the next thing is I'm just gonna size up and measure it, and then all I have to do is just poke that screw through here. It's gonna stay. And what I did is just cut a strip here, here, and one over there. And then there's a screw. Because this is the material, well, it's very thin, I was able to puncture a hole with my scissor to get that screw. You see that? Okay, but that screw is sticking up, so I won't be able to heat press that down. But what I'm gonna do is try to get majority of it pressed down with the heat press. Here it goes. Just gonna make sure that piece is in. All right, so here it goes. this is the inside. So I have trimming all at the bottom, the side, and this side. So when the book is open, it still look absolutely beautiful. I put white glitter vinyl here. I heat press to the paper. I'm really happy about that. None of the paper got damaged. I went and put some along the side. I'm gonna add a row of crystals there, individual, to fill that in. And then I'll put the pin back on. Okay.